Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. A quick update related to forms, and now form field spacing is available. So if you go into one of the forms you have, and if you click on down here, styles and options, you have the field spacing option, right? So now it's set at 11. Let's set it at 40, right? So the bigger the number, the more it spaces out. A quick tip, because I usually look for shortcuts, how to do things quicker, like keyboard shortcuts and all that stuff, right? So, if you don't want to do like this, like just keep retyping stuff, right, to search for the perfect sizing or spacing, you can just like click in there and go up and down keys on the keyboard. This is me tapping up, this is me tapping down, right? You can just kind of find the perfect spacing without typing it in every time. This kind of makes it easier. So that's a little tip from me. I always look for these solutions to make everything quicker. But yeah, that's a new feature. If we go back, that is obviously under Sites, Forms, Form Builder. Make sure to go check that out. It's a neat little feature. It just makes things better. It's you can just keep things as is or just adjust them to how you like it. But yeah, quick little feature. If you have any questions about this or anything else Funneltopia related, as per usual, 24/7 chat support. Let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.